Learning Flow uses a visual flow-based programming model where you can wire together various nodes to create workflows known as flows. Let's get started on your first flow. To begin, create a new collection. This is where all your flows will be organized. Then create a new flow. Here you can give your flow a title and upload a display image. On the left, you'll see the menu bar. Every flow needs a starting point. Drag the Start node onto the workspace. Now let's display some text. Follow these steps. Locate the red connector and drag it to open a contextual menu. Select the Display Text node from the menu. You can also find this on the left menu bar. To edit the text, click on the Display Text node. Notice this is the end of your flow. To preview your work, click on Update. Use the ellipsis menu to run this flow on another page. Join the future of education today. Ready to transform your educational approach? Visit www.learningflow.ai and sign up to access these groundbreaking tools.